Hi, my name is Cristina Maria Gadar with Open Access Pilates Archives, here to share a teaching tip about the Cunha board. Cunha is the Spanish Portuguese word for wedge. Romana spent a lot of time living in Peru, and I think that's why she chose this name. This is one style Cunha board, and the other has blocks, which makes it really nice for securing it between the two vertical pipes at the narrow end of the Cadillac. Usually we are used to doing the Cuña exercises for the spread eagle as part of the traditional ending, or we add the Cunha board perhaps onto the carriage of the reformer in front of the blocks for hands back in the stomach massage series. If it's hard to have a narrower grip, we go a little wider. I'm going to show you how to use the leg springs with the Cunha board. Joseph Pilates archived side leg springs with Romana Kryzanowska on the massage table, and Romana, although she was very petite, actually had extraordinarily long arms. So when she did it on one side, she was lying a full arm's distance away and holding the pipe in front of her. On the other side, she was lying a little bit closer with her elbow to the pipe and holding the outside of the pipe in front of her. Either way, she was able to align her shoulder on the back edge and hold the front pipe and still keep her shoulders pretty square and stay holding on while doing it. That's not easy. So the other way that Joseph Pilates Archive did was with Elaine Malbin on the wooden Cadillac in his original gym at 939 8th Avenue. And so she was holding the Cunha board, and that's what I'd like to show you now. So you could use the table strap, or I've actually added a side loop to kind of replicate the way it was archived on film. And then you can add your spring, and then instead of holding all the way in front on the pipe, you could hold the Cunha board. I like to start it the way it's often archived, by doing the forward bicycle movement first, and then your goal is to touch the pipe. And I love the feeling of pushing through my front arm against the Cunha board as my back leg reaches long. And then you can go into the back pedaling, which to me it makes sense to finish in a back pedaling motion. You can also finish with a little bit of a back bend, and it feels nice to have the hands here. Romana taught it to me also holding here, but I like this feeling. I feel a little more secure. So I hope you find that little tip useful, and maybe if you're a teacher, you can give it a try on your own or try it with your student and let me know what you think. It's a wonderful way to try the side bicycle in a slightly different setup, and you might find the opposing line of energy between the hand and the leg to be quite yummy. Thank you.